Okay, I'd like to take a few minutes and talk about the variables involved with pressure-sensitive wide format laminating. First one is tension, second one would be pressure, and the third, speed. On this unit, you adjust the tension using these tension control knobs on the top and the tension control knobs or brakes on the bottom. Your starting point adjustment is going to be to release all the pressure or tension off of this knob and then tighten it down until you feel light resistance. I'm going to do that for the same for this one here. And then on the bottom it's a little bit different. We're going to be turning these knobs clockwise, and that's clockwise from looking at the end of the roll again until you feel light resistance. And what you're going to be looking for on the brake or tension adjustment is that the material is going through smooth with no wrinkles. If you get that adjustment too loose, you're going to see wrinkles going across the film web here. If you get it too tight, you may stretch the material, or it is possible that you could even stop the machine because you got so much drag on it. On the top adjustment here, you're going to be looking for how the release liner peels off of the laminating film. If it's not peeling off and it's starting to feed down into the nip, then you're going to want this a little bit tighter. If it's pulling so hard that it's lifting the laminating film up off of the roll and up towards the rewind, then you've got this too tight and you want it a little bit looser. These two adjustments do work in conjunction with each other, so when you adjust one you may see a difference in the other. On the bottom here, what you're going to be looking for is for your material to be going through nice and smooth here. If you see big wrinkles, then you may need a little bit more brake tension on the bottom. Again, it is possible to get that so tight that it won't feed through the machine. The next thing I want to talk about is the pressure. You adjust the pressure on this unit with the hand wheel on the side here, and it's marked up and down. And what you want to do to set this is to raise the roll until it comes up off of the material, drop it back down until it comes in contact, and then just a slight bit more. If you apply too much pressure, the material is going to want to gather up and wrinkle in the middle. If you don't have enough pressure, you're not going to get a good laminate, or the machine may just not even feed forward. The third variable is the speed. You're going to notice in all the videos where I'm setting up the machine, I'm setting it on a slow speed or speed 2. And the reason for that is that there's a lot going on when you're setting up and when you're learning, and you're going to be better off if you run it slow. You'll have more time to react. Once you get the machine fed and running, it's okay to turn the speed up a little bit, but I would say you wouldn't want to run the speed on maximum unless you're feeding off of a roll.